me show you a quick and easy Christmas decorating hack for your dinner table using these items from Dollar Tree. My inspiration came from these Hobby Lobby bell napkin rings. I love them, they're adorable. However, they're $2.99 each. I knew I could make 6 for $3. Let me show you. These book rings come in a pack of 6 for $1.50, and the large jingle bells also come in a pack of 6 for $1.50. The ring has a small clasp. I'm going to open it, and then I'm going to pass one end of the ring through the opening the bells have at the top. And then once I do that, I'll go ahead and close the clasp back up. Now, in order to keep the bell and ring from moving around, I'm going to use super glue for a permanent hold, and then I'm going to go in with some hot glue for a quick hold. And this is how this one turned out. I'm going to repeat the same steps to the rest of the bells and rings. And now that I'm all done with all 6, I'm going to spray paint them with this Rust-Oleum hammer finish. The spray paint has dried, and this is how they turned out. Next, I'm going to use some rub and buff in the color Antique Gold. I'm going to apply it with a sponge. This is without the rub and buff, and this is with the rub and buff. I'm going to continue adding the rub and buff to the remainder of the bells. Once I'm done, I'm going to give it a few hours for it to dry. And this is how they turned out. Let me know what you think. Hobby Lobby or mine? Which one would you pick? Before you throw that napkin tube away, watch this DIY hack. Take a 1-inch width ribbon of your choice, place it on the tube, and start making markings according to the width of the ribbon as I'm showing you there. I marked off 7, I really needed 6. Next, I'm going to cut on all the markings I made. You're going to end up with small rings just like this. Please just trust the process. And here are all my rings, and let me show you what I'll do next. Take some hot glue and apply it directly to the cardboard and place your ribbon onto it. Continue to go around the ring until you cover the entire ring with the ribbon. And you'll end up with it looking like this. I'm going to repeat the same steps to the remainder of the rings. If you haven't guessed by now, these are napkin ring holders. You can use them like this. They look classy and beautiful just with the velvet ribbon. But I'm going to go a step further and add this beaded garland around each one. I'm going to start by adding a dab of hot glue and place one end of the garland to secure it in place. Then wrap it around the ring and add more hot glue. I'm going to wrap the garland twice. This is how it turned out. I'm going to continue with the rest of the rings. Now it's time to put my ring to use. I'm going to take my napkin and bring one end to the center and repeat it to the opposite end. Both ends will meet. Then I'll fold one side and then the other as I'm showing you. Then fold one end so that both ends are brought together. You'll end up with a V shape at the bottom. And once again, fold sides, and your napkin will look like this. Next, slip the napkin through the ring. Give me a minute and I'll show you a Christmas decor hack that will completely transform an old lamp into a holiday decor. And wait, the best part, you probably already have the one item that makes it happen. I've pre-cut strips of wired ribbon. These are going directly on the lamp. The size of the ribbon will depend how big your lampshade is. I chose 2 different prints on the ribbon, but you can just go solid. Okay, so what you want to do is take your strip of ribbon and place it on the lampshade and fold in the ends of the ribbon, top and bottom. That will secure the ribbon. Mind you, this technique is for a temporary transformation. If you want a permanent change to your lampshade, then go ahead and use some sort of glue, such as hot glue, super glue, or fabric glue. You're going to continue with the ribbon until your lampshade is completely covered. And this is how my lamp turned out. I love it. I love that it gave that Christmas holiday spirit. And now let me show you where I placed it. You're not going to believe where I put this. I'll be placing my lamp on this 2-tier tray in the bathroom counter. To the tray, I'm going to add pine stems and some red berries. Give me your thoughts. What do you think? Personally, I love the transformation, and the best part is the ribbon can be changed according to the holidays if you choose to do so. Okay, this bathroom is looking way too normal for December. Let's fix that. Step 1, add a tiny tree to the corner. Boom, instant Christmas vibes. And let's not forget a Christmas hand towel. Step 2, why not hang a stocking instead of a towel? Next up, a bow garland across the shower curtain, because the shower deserves to feel cute too. And this $5 Dollar Tree, straight to the bathroom corner, affordable and adorable. Now don't laugh. Even the toilet gets Christmas love, a stocking and a little tree. Yes, this is adorable and cute. And here it is, our guest bathroom completely transformed with simple touches, budget-friendly finds, and the DIYs I shared at the beginning. Thanks for hanging out with me. If you love easy DIYs and fun holiday makeovers, make sure to like, follow, and come back for more Christmas magic. See you on the next one. Merry Christmas and God bless.